Hello students, so let's start the prelims practice questions. 57th question, choose the correct pairs. First pair is Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, second is Mohiniyattam Karnataka, third is Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, fourth is Odissi Orissa. So here Mohiniyattam belongs to Kerala, not from Karnataka. So second option is wrong. So eliminate option 2. So you can find option D, but that is 1, 3 and 4. These 1, 3 and 4 pairs are correct. Option D is the correct answer. 58th question, consider the following statements. First statement is Yeduru Basavanna is a monolithic bull located opposite to Virupaksha temple. Second statement, Yeduru Basavanna was regarded as the guard and protector of Hampi during ancient times. Third statement is Tungabhadra river passes through Hampi. So which of the following statements are correct? So here all these three statements are correct. Option C is a correct answer. So recently G20 summit, G20 meeting has been organized in the complex of Yeduru Basavanna to pose the cultural significance of the Hampi. Okay, so all these three statements are correct. Option C is a correct answer. 59th question, consider the following statements regarding rubella. First statement is it is caused by the virus in paramyxovirus family. It can be infected through direct contact and through air. Second statement, the virus infects the respiratory tract and then spreads throughout the body, causing severe disease and even death. Third statement, rubella is a childhood infection under age group of 5 to 20 years. It is also called as tuberculosis. So here rubella is also called as measles. Okay, so it can be caused by the virus that belongs to paramyxovirus family, and the virus infects the respiratory tract and then spreads throughout the body, and it is a childhood infection caused under the age group of 5 to 20 years, but it is not called tuberculosis. It is also called as measles. So third statement is wrong, so eliminate option 3. You can find option B the right answer. So option B, that is 1 and 2 statements are correct. 60th question, what are the tributaries of Yamuna? Option A, Chambal, Betwa, Ken. Option B, Betwa, Ken, Chambal. Option C, Tons, Hindon, Ken. Option D, all the above. So all these are the tributaries of Yamuna. Chambal, Betwa, Ken, Tons, Hindon. All these are the tributaries of Yamuna. So option D is a correct answer. 61st question, in which of the following revolts did the Koya and Konda tribal chiefs rise against the local overlords? Option A, Rampa rebellion of 1879 to 1880. Option B, Gudam uprising of 1886. Option C, the Rampa rebellion of 1922 to 24. Option D, the Telangana armed struggle 1946 to 51. So here the Rampa rebellion has the series of rebellions. It is not only one, we have almost 4 consecutive Rampa rebellions. So it is especially in the Godavari region. So the Konda and Koya tribes live over this region. We also have, so Rampa is one of the hill and Gudam also is one of the hill. So the uprisings which took place in the Gudam hills is called Gudam uprising, and the uprisings which took place in the Rampa hill region is called the Rampa rebellion. So here in the Rampa rebellion of 1879 to 1880, they directly went and attacked police stations. This rebellion was against the British. Okay, when coming to the Gudam uprisings was also against the British. And Rampa rebellion of 1922 to 24, in this revolt the tribals has realized that the overlords are acting as the British people. Okay, they are taking more taxes, they are assaulting women. They were doing many harassments at that time. So at this point of time, under the leadership of Alluri Sitaramaraju, Rampa rebellion took place as a revolt against the local overlord. So option C is a correct answer. Okay, and this Telangana armed struggle of 1946 to 51 was against the oppressive landlordism in Telangana region. Okay, so option C only is the correct answer. 62nd question, deserts are generally located at. So generally, uh, most of the world's deserts are located near 30 degrees north latitude and 30 degrees south latitude. Okay, so here this in this 30 around this 30 degrees latitude, the heated equatorial air begins. Okay, so option C is a correct answer. 63rd question, which one of the following has the adaptation echolocation to detect the prey? So here um, echolocation is, okay, let's first look into this. Option A, rattlesnake. B, barn owl. C, grasshopper. D, bat. So here echolocation is the process of making sounds and listening to its echoes in order to identify the different objects in its surroundings. Okay, generally bats don't have eyes. Okay, so they catch insects with the help of good navigation technique called echolocation. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 64th question, which one of the following animals lays eggs to reproduce? Option A, dolphin. B, seal. C, platypus. D, whale. So here all these animals lay direct live young ones, but except this platypus. Platypus is a semi-aquatic egg-laying mammal. Okay, it is mostly present in the eastern Australia. So option C is a correct answer. 65th question, consider the following statements. First statement is the Constitution of India envisages a three-tier system of panchayat. Second statement, intermediate panchayat stands between the village and district panchayats in the state where the population is about 20 lakhs. Third statement is all the seats in the panchayat shall be filled by direct elections from territorial constituencies in the panchayat area. So choose the correct answer. So here, as per part 9 of the Constitution, the Constitution of India envisages the three-tier system of panchayat. First statement is correct. The second one is as per the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992, there should be an intermediate panchayat and he should stand between the village and the district panchayats in the state where the population is about 20 lakhs. And as per Article 243C of Part 9 of the Constitution, all the seats in the panchayats shall be filled by the direct elections from territorial constituencies in the panchayat area. So all these three statements are correct. Option C is a correct answer. 66th question, consider the statements regarding President of India. First statement is President of India is elected by an electoral college in accordance with a system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. Second statement, the elected members of legislative assemblies of Union Territory of Delhi and Puducherry take part in the elections of the President of India. So here the articles of presidents are from Article 52 to 62. Okay, so as per Article 52, the President of India shall be elected by an electoral college in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote. First statement is correct. Coming to the second statement, as per Article 54, the elected members of Legislative Assembly of Union Territories of Delhi and Puducherry also take part in the elections of the President of India. So option A is the correct answer. Both these statements are correct. 67th question, what is pyrophilous organisms? Option A, fresh grass growing after ground fire. Option B, fungi growing in soils of burnt terrains. Option C, seeds germinating after the clear felling of forest. Option D, organisms with capacity to regenerate the tail after it was lost due to damage. So here, pyrophilous organisms means the fire loving. The word pyrophilous means fire loving. So these organisms are those that are substantially favored by fire. So these are the fungi growing in soils of burnt terrain. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so here you can see option A, fresh grass growing after ground fire. So they asked about the organism. So it is option B. Coming to 68th question, which of the following is a lagoon? So a lagoon, okay, first option A is Deeporbil, option B is Kolleru, C is Pulicat, and D is Gohna. So a lagoon here is a shallow body of water separated from the largest body of water by a narrow landform. Okay, so these lagoons are divided into two types. One is coastal lagoons and the other is atoll lagoons. Okay, so coming to the Deeporbil is a permanent freshwater lake. It gets its water from Brahmaputra river and it is one of the largest bales and important riverine wetlands in the Brahmaputra valley of Lower Assam. Okay, this Deeporbil is a lake. Okay, it is not a lagoon. Next, coming to the Kolleru lake. Kolleru is also a lake. It is the largest freshwater lake in Andhra Pradesh. It lies between Godavari and Krishna river deltas. Next is Pulicat Lake. Pulicat is also lake. So it is the second largest brackish water lagoon in India. The first largest fresh brackish water lagoon is Chilika Lake. Okay, so this is a lagoon and it is in AP. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Coming to the Gohna Lake is in Uttarakhand. Gohna is in Uttarakhand and it is the large inland body of standing water. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. 69th question, which one of the following zones of atmosphere is the farthest from the Earth's surface? Option A, stratosphere, B, mesosphere, C, ionosphere, and D, troposphere. So here the farthest one from the Earth's atmosphere is the ionosphere. So option C is the correct answer. So here you can remember the different zones of atmosphere by knowing this word, that is TSMTE. Okay, T for troposphere, S for stratosphere, M for mesosphere, T for thermosphere, E for exosphere. TSMTE. Okay, so this is a small code to remember the zones of atmosphere. So option C is the correct answer. Ionosphere is the farthest from atmosphere. Option C. Coming to the 70th question, consider the following statements. First statement is invasion of Nadir Shah. Second is third battle of Panipat. Third is impeachment of Warren Hastings. Fourth is the Diwani of Bengal transferred to East India Company. So we have to arrange these statements in a chronological order. So here Nadir Shah invaded in 1738 to 1740 and the third battle of Panipat took place on 14th July 1761 between Maratha Empire and Durrani Empire of Afghanistan. Next is Warren Hastings was the first Governor General of Bengal. Okay, the impeachment of Warren Hastings was done between the period of 1787 and 1795. Coming to the fourth one, the Diwani of Bengal. Okay, in 1765, Shah Alam II, the Mughal emperor, granted Diwani of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa to East India Company. Okay, so Nadir Shah invasion took place during 1738 to 40. Battle of Panipat, third battle of Panipat, 1761. Impeachment of Warren Hastings took place between 1787 to 1795. And the Diwani status was transferred in the year 1765. So the first will be Nadir Shah invasion. Next is 1761 third battle of Panipat. And the next one is 1765 transfer of Diwani status. And the last one is 1787 to 1795 impeachment of Warren Hastings. So it will be 1, 2, 4 and 3. So option C is a correct answer.